We're on the Bounty Islands in the middle of nowhere in the subantarctic ocean, 800 kilometers east of New Zealand. We've got 13 different islands here, and these islands vary in size from a few hectares to 30 hectares or so. And we're here to map the distribution and the population size of the red crested penguin, which breeds exclusively on these islands as well as on the Antipodes Islands. We're using primarily drone footage, creating orthomosaics from drone overflights. And we use DroneDeploy to stitch the images together at a very high quality, which just makes life so much easier for us to conduct these counts. You can clearly see every penguin on all of these islands. 10 years back, they would just use ground counts and then extrapolate across the total land area of these islands. But from the images we recorded in the past 4 years, I can already see that doesn't work. We got to count each and every individual penguin that we see on there. So by the end of it, we know exactly how many penguins there are on these islands, and we can then repeat that in the following years just to see how the population trajectories are and to determine whether the species is doing okay or not. This is a new chapter in ecological science, in population science, because usually these photogrammetry softwares and applications are used for surveying of urban structures or forests or even agricultural businesses. So this is one of the first times that we use this large-scale software in an ecological context and for conservation of species, and it's super exciting. I mean, yeah, I'm totally blown away by the results we've achieved so far.